Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Maneater gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after this, check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices. Select a controller. Now right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once your controller drivers are updated, now restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam input. So Steam users, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller not working issue is resolved or not. If not, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So you will be able to see an update option here. If there is an update, click on the update option and once your game is updated, check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. So you should try once. If not, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will show if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Apart from this, there are other troubleshooting tips. First, clear cache on Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, go below, click on downloads and go below here. You have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache and this will restart your Steam. After that, log into it once again and then check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to, if you are using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it. This may help to resolve the issue. Also suggested to use big picture mode for Maneater game. So go to Steam and here you can see Maneater. Here you will be able to see big picture mode. Simply click on it and launch the game. And after you can play the game on big picture mode, exit it and then check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Maneater gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.